comfort zone. Move to this more comfortable zone.
We are not lazy, we smart.
Oh yeah, we are smart. Okay. Yeah.
Shall we do first?
Yes. Everyone, so that we will see, we will compare our work. Yeah. Okay. Go.
Yeah. It's okay, maybe. Yes.
Or you can try.
She might need translation.
For the first question, like how many factories in the shoe and garment industries in Brebes have implemented automation in Brebes district, and then the answer like coding one point one, yes, point one. It's the answer.
Should I read everything? Should she read everything or just
The coding system that you made, and then this is like when you made some, how to call it, some clustering, and then you just do a quick explanation of like how you proceeded in coding with the data under it, main cluster of data. And for 1 to 1 5. So you just represent it.
Okay.
The way that you have done it.
Okay. From the first questions, the answer punya dua jawaban, yaitu yang pertama dua jawaban. Kita menandainya dengan angka 1.1, kemudian jawaban kedua 1.2.
So for this question, we have two answers to it, and how we differentiated it is by having point from like 1.1, 1.2.
Kemudian untuk yang poin kedua,
So what is So what is the difference of 1.2 from 1.1?
Perbedaan dari 1.1 ini jawab pertanyaannya berapa banyak pabrik di pabrik sepatu dan garmen di Brebes yang mengimplementasikan otomasi. Perbedaannya ini otomasi dimulai di 2012. 1.1 menjelaskan bahwa mulainya otomasi itu ada sekitar 5 sampai 6 factories. Kemudian yang bagian kedua, nomor 2, 1.2 itu menjelaskan bahwa untuk sekarang 2024 pabrik yang sudah mengadopsi otomasi itu ada 90 factories.
So
Kemudian untuk yang nomor 2 pertanyaan kita nggak ada data di sini. Ya, untuk nomor 3, pertanyaan nomor 3 ini kita punya 2 jawaban. Kita temukan 2 jawaban.
So for
Kemudian
for the third question, we have 2 answers, 3.1 and 3.2.
Pada poin pertama 3.1 itu menjelaskan bahwa sebelum otomasi, kemudian yang kedua 3.2 itu menjawab tentang setelah otomasi.
Yeah, so 3.1 say it's all about what happens before automation, and 2.2 is during.
Kemudian kemudian untuk yang nomor 4 di sini ada 4 jawaban. per jawaban itu kayak di nomor 4.1 dia ada bagian-bagian lainnya yang perlu yang perlu disebutkan. Kemudian kami coding dengan 4.1.a.
So for the fourth question, we have 4 different answers and even sub-answers which we've denoted with 4.1.a. So we've decided to break it down even further.
Ya. Kemudian untuk yang nomor 5 ada dua jawaban dibedakan dengan 5.1 kemudian 5.2.
For the fifth question, we also have 2 answers, 5.1 and 5.2.
Sama sampai ke pertanyaan nomor 10. Hanya ini ada di pertanyaan nomor 6. Ini ada gabungan dari coding number sama apa ini hanya paragraf dan paragraf.
So this method is the same for the rest of the answers from 6 to 10, except that for question 6 we kind of mixed it with a sentence answer and then followed by breakdown 6.1 and 6.2.
That's all.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, so thank you. So let us look at, before, commenting will happen after all have presented. Is that okay? So let us give a round of applause once more for the first group. And of course for Alo for the presentation in behalf of the group. That was very good. Okay? Thank you. So, where are we? Where do you want us to go? Here. Call us. Okay. Here, everyone, so that we'll be able to see. Come here, so that we will learn
already
from what they have, worked on. Okay, here.
Ignore our untidy presentation. Okay. So we tried clustering. Main questions have been clustered as 1, 2, 3, and we have made sub-clusters as 1.1, 1.2. And if we have information in those sub-clusters, we have coded as point A, point B, point C. So that's our coding we agreed on. And we have slightly clustered whatever information we were gathering, and we tried to cluster it under the section. So, for example, in the first section, it was like how many factories have implemented automation. So we have written automation began. This is as 1.1, and mass layoff was experienced as 1.2. But then yes, there was some information missing. And the second, for example, in 2024, automation is already. So we tried clustering it. In the before automation and the after automation, the during automation thing. So the second was wage policy implemented. So we tried clustering before automation and during automation as 2.1 and 2.2, and information under as 2.1a, 2.1b, 2.1.c. There was some information in different answers. So we, for example, minimum wage, this was somewhere else. So we tried clustering it here. And during automation, 2.2.A, 2.2.B, something like that. Similarly, in the third question, we tried clustering it into 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, and the information inside it was coded as 3.1.A, point B, point C, point D. One was which we thought that is not relevant to the third section, so we coded the child care policy point as the fourth. We clustered it as 4, and then similarly all the other questions with 5.1, 5.2, there were no additional information in those clusters, so we did not code point A, point B, point C. So yeah, we tried coding that way. We shifted some of the information which was in the other answer, tried to cluster it where it was related. So, for example, deficit in the expenditure, it was somewhere here in the during automation. I don't remember where right now, but we tried pasting it here. So we tried clustering according to the question. And if anybody wants to add to it.
So if no addition from the group, from the small, from her group, Indonesia, India, and Cambodia, then we move to the next. Yeah. So maybe we can just like put them together, so it will be easier to see the
Just correction,
Provide that,
just
yes.
correction the number of the factory who already implemented the,
Maybe
yeah, not 90, 40.
40.
40,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. So yeah. All right. Okay.
Are we
So
having this
yeah,
the
can
same?
you bring it here?